Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you guys how can you merge two Spotify playlists together. So at the end of this video you'll have the content of two separate Spotify playlists in one. So follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, you open your Play Store or App Store. We just need to make sure our Spotify app is updated, or at least we have a new version to make sure everything works smoothly. Now we quit from here and let's open Spotify now. Of course, you have to be logged into your Spotify account, and now here you can scroll until you find two playlists that you like that you might want to merge together, or you can just go to your library if you already have two chosen. Let me scroll down. Let's say I want let me choose two playlists. So let's say I want this one and this one. Okay, so it's these two. Let me first open the first one. Once it loads up, you see these three dots right here. You go ahead and tap on it. You get this little menu. From this menu, you need to tap on Add to Other Playlist. Now here you can choose a playlist that you want to add the content of this playlist to, or you can just tap on New Playlist. I recommend doing this. So let me name it Test, doesn't really matter. Then tap on Create. Now the content of the first playlist is here in Test, as you can see, guys. Now we go to the second playlist that we want to merge with the first one. So it's going to be this one. And once you open it, you tap again on the same three dots. And then from here, add to playlist. As you can see, it's right there. And then now we choose the same test playlist. So we just tap on the plus next to it, and that's it. Should be good to go. Just like that, I have merged these two playlists together. As you can see, it says added to test in the bottom. But that's it for this video, guys. Now we can go to our test playlist. Here it is, and you find both merged right here. And that's it for this video. Again, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.